Today on Orata Kitchen, we're making Fluke Tacos. All right, let's go get a Fluke. That's a good one. Once you get it filleted up, you're gonna hit it with some seasoning. We're using Seafood Magic by Chef Paul Prudhomme. Make sure you get both sides. All right, let's make the slaw. Red cabbage, regular cabbage, onions, flat leaf parsley, cilantro, jalapeno, a little mayo, a little sour cream, squeeze of fresh lime, a little salt, a little paprika, mix it up. After I got it mixed up, I actually added a little red wine vinegar. Get it in the fridge, let's get the fish going. Hot griddle, lay your fillets right in the hot olive oil. All right, pull them. They can crumble, it's all right. Clean up the grill, a little more olive oil. Let's do our tortillas. They cook pretty quick, let's pull those. Slaw first, fish on top, a little radish for crunch, fresh cilantro, a little more lime juice. They're ready to eat. I promise you, these will be a hit at your next cookout.